Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, you know what? I just wanted to tell you guys one package that I use a lot, and I've seen a lot of data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts use, and that is sklearn. Sklearn package has been with Python for a very long time, and it has been used along with pandas and NumPy extensively in doing any kind of machine learning or predictive modeling exercises. On their website, and yeah, you're looking at their website right now, and they have actually defined six different, segments or I would say offerings that they have with the sklearn package that you can do in order to do any kind of modeling. And it's extensively documented in this website. I wanted to actually show you guys what all things they do have that might be useful for you to carry out any kind of modeling. First, classification. Again, they have almost all the algorithms that has been used in classification methods, starting from SVM, nearest neighbor, random forest, and if you go to their webs, the supervised learning section, you'll see that they have um, documentation starting from simple OLS, and then going extensively to linear and quadratic discriminant analysis. I would think that most of these um, can be used using this package, and I'm not into high hardcore statistical modeling, but I do use some basic linear modeling processes such as OLS, logistic regression, uh, or it could be SVM sometimes for classification. But if you go down into further details, you see that there's extensive use of all different types of methods that can be utilized under supervised learning. And I think this particular section, especially the decision trees and sample methods, can be very helpful um, for doing any kind of, again, simple classification processes. I would definitely think that you should check this website out and go through the details to really understand more about this package. Going to the regression, I think regression and classification probably documented on the same page, so I wouldn't go into the details of it. But if you go into the clustering section, again, they have illustrated all these different types of clustering based on different, blob diagrams, where they have shown how each of these different methods, are carried out, the parameters, scalability factors. Again, the most commonly used I think clustering method is k-means, which again is compared against all different types of clustering methods that you can use using this package. And yeah, if you want to use this clustering package, again, sklearn.cluster should be imported before you try to carry out anything. Again, you have dimensionality reduction processes such as feature selection. I'm not going to go into the details because again, this is extensively used across different um, types of model build, especially in order to reduce obviously the number of dimension going into the model. But I think the one that I use a lot is model selection process, where you have to either do cross validation, and then again you try to look at results based on, again, matrices and scoring. They have extensively provided all of the features in terms of looking at the output, and again validating it, figuring out how your model persists across different sample sizes. And then, pre-processing, I would say, is more for machine learning, very hardcore machine learning algorithms, especially for non-structured data. It also includes like feature selections and other types of processes that I don't want to go into the detail, but there's a lot more to cover here. Again, standardization and mean removal processes, like some of the basic ones. And then if you go down into the details, you have nonlinear transformation, normalization, you know, lot more to like go into and look into. I would say, they have codes, available on the website. You can actually try to use them, and try to understand like how it functions. But all in all, I would think sklearn is definitely one of the best packages that is available in Python along with pandas and NumPy, which again gives you very extensive application usage for doing any kind of modeling. So yeah, just check it out and see whether you like it or not.